Hi, my name is Oli, and today it's a very short and different video compared to my others. I receive a lot of questions regarding my Pulsar X2A review, especially if it's possible to use all 4 side buttons independently. Shout out to Fetsky for bringing the solution. Out of the box they are duplicated, but you can in Pulsar software reassign the button. For that, go to button assignment, choose the side button 1, choose key assignment and press the key of your keyboard you want to assign with it. I will assign the key number 1 for side button 1, key number 2 for side button 2, 3 for side button 3 and 4 for the side button 4. You can do that with other clicks of the mouse. So this means instead of using your keyboard to write 1, 2, 3 and 4, you can use now your Pulsar X2A side buttons 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, this means in games like here, for example in Apex, where key number 1 is switching to the main weapon, number 2 switching to the secondary weapon, 3 is hiding the weapon and 4 is healing. And so instead of using the keyboard, you can use the side buttons of your X2A. Side button 1 main weapon, 2 secondary weapon, 3 hide the weapon and 4 healing. So you can use all 4 side buttons independently on your X2A. I personally think it's strange to use all 4 buttons as you can misclick with your finger on it in first-person shooter games, but maybe in mobile games it can be interesting. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoy such type of short video. If so, don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.